Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer with real aloe vera. This aloe vera is from my backyard, but you can also get it from the grocery store. So the first step is to take all the spiky sides off, and I like to cut off a little bit of the top because it's really hard to get the gel out of that, and it's just not worth trying to get the gel out. And then you can cut it into at least 3-inch pieces, and it's easier to start with the biggest piece, and you just try to cut it in half through the gel, and this is the way I find most easiest. And you just cut in the middle of the gel, and then once you have that done, you can open it and then just try to take all the gel off with the knife. But be very careful when you do this because it's very sticky and slippery and you could accidentally cut your finger. Try to get as much gel as you can off the piece of the leaf. And then do it with the other side. And then you can continue with all the other pieces. Once you're done, try to pick out all the pieces of the leaves you accidentally got into your gel, and then try to move all of the gel and meat into your blender or food processor. It's easiest to move your cutting board to the table and put your blender under the table and just swipe everything up. After you're done scooping everything in, you can just put the lid on your blender and then just turn it on. You can also use a food processor for this. The aloe vera gel blends really fast right after just a few seconds. Then you can pour out 1/3 of aloe vera gel into a mixing bowl. I finally got a spoon to help because it makes it so much easier. It's a lot easier scraping aloe vera gel out than pouring it out. So definitely do that. Since we're not baking, it doesn't have to be exact measurements because you might not have enough aloe vera gel or too much aloe vera gel just by a little bit. So It doesn't have to be perfect. I ended up not having that much aloe vera gel, only about 1/3 of a cup, but still it wasn't like to the brim. It wasn't as much as a real 1/3, but it still was enough. I think too much aloe vera gel in your hand sanitizer anyway would make it pretty sticky. So then you can just dump it into your mixing bowl. The next step is to have 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol into your mixture. It's best to have 90% rubbing alcohol, but it's recommended to have at least 70%. It's really hard to find 90% alcohol right now, so 70% should be okay if you're using it for home purposes and stuff like that. So then, after that, just mix it really well, and it might still not look perfectly clear because it is natural aloe vera gel and stuff like that, and it's not purified or anything, but it's okay. So since I'm not going to use aloe vera gel for anything else, I'm just trying to scoop out everything else in of the contents of the pitcher, because I don't know what else you would do with a lot of that aloe vera gel. It's really hard to mix once you have only like drops of aloe vera gel to a lot of hand sanitizer, so you might want to scoop out everything before you add and mix. Since it smells kind of weird right now, it's optional though, but I added peppermint oil. This made it smell really good. Then this is an empty conditioner bottle, and since it has a pump, it's great for the hand sanitizer. And I'm just going to use a funnel to transfer it to my bottle and then just screw it on. This hand sanitizer doesn't really leave sticky residue, and it's perfect for your hands.